Biophysics is a fascinating field that sits at the intersection of physics and biology, seeking to understand living organisms through the lens of physical principles. It delves into the intricate mechanisms that govern life at various scales, from the molecular to the organismal level. Did you know that biophysics dates back to the 19th century when scientists began applying physics concepts to biological systems? Over the years, it has evolved into a diverse and interdisciplinary field, encompassing a wide range of research areas. One interesting aspect of biophysics is its quantitative nature, where researchers use mathematical models and computational tools to study biological processes. This approach allows for a deeper understanding of complex biological phenomena, such as protein folding or neural signaling. Biophysics also heavily relies on experimental techniques to probe the inner workings of living organisms. For example, advanced imaging methods like fluorescence microscopy enable scientists to visualize cellular processes in real time with high precision. The field of biophysics is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and new discoveries. In recent years, the rise of biophysical techniques has revolutionized our understanding of biological systems. For instance, single-molecule studies have provided unprecedented insights into the behavior of individual biomolecules, shedding light on fundamental processes like DNA replication or enzyme catalysis. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of life through the lens of physics, biophysics remains a dynamic and exciting field with immense potential for further exploration and discovery. Physics, the fundamental science that seeks to understand the behavior of matter and energy in the universe, provides a powerful framework for studying biological systems. By applying basic principles of physics to biology, researchers have uncovered fascinating insights into the inner workings of living organisms. One key concept is the principle of energy conservation, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. In biological systems, this principle is evident in processes like cellular respiration, where energy from food molecules is converted into a form usable by cells. Another important principle is the laws of thermodynamics, which govern energy transfer and transformation. For example, the second law of thermodynamics states that entropy, or disorder, tends to increase over time in isolated systems. This principle is crucial for understanding processes like protein folding, where molecules spontaneously adopt their most stable conformation. The field of biomechanics, which applies principles of physics to study the movement of living organisms, is a fascinating area of research. Biomechanics explores how forces and torques affect biological structures, such as muscles and bones, and how organisms move and interact with their environment. For instance, researchers use principles of mechanics to analyze the gait of animals or the flight of birds, shedding light on the biomechanical adaptations that enable efficient movement. In the realm of bioelectricity, physics principles are used to study the electrical signals that govern communication within and between cells. Neurons, for example, rely on electrical impulses to transmit information in the nervous system, a process that can be understood through the principles of electrical circuits and signal propagation. Biophotonics, the study of the interaction between light and biological systems, is another exciting application of physics to biology. Techniques like fluorescence imaging and laser spectroscopy allow researchers to visualize and manipulate biological structures with high precision, opening new avenues for studying cellular processes. The application of physics to biology has led to remarkable advancements in medicine and healthcare. For instance, medical imaging techniques like MRI and CT scans are based on principles of physics, enabling non-invasive visualization of internal organs and tissues. Physics-based therapies, such as radiation therapy for cancer treatment, harness the principles of radiation physics to target and destroy cancerous cells while minimizing damage to healthy tissue. As we continue to explore the synergy between physics and biology, new opportunities emerge for understanding and manipulating living systems at a fundamental level. Molecular biophysics delves into the intricate world of biological molecules, exploring their structure, dynamics, and interactions at the molecular level. One fascinating aspect of molecular biophysics is the study of protein folding, a process essential for the proper functioning of proteins in the body. Did you know that proteins are long chains of amino acids that must fold into specific three-dimensional shapes to carry out their biological functions? The field of molecular biophysics uses techniques like X-ray crystallography and nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) spectroscopy to unravel the complex folding pathways of proteins, shedding light on how their structures relate to their functions. Another intriguing area of molecular biophysics is the study of molecular motors, tiny protein machines that generate movement within cells. These molecular motors, such as kinesin and myosin, use the energy from ATP hydrolysis to transport cargo along cellular highways called microtubules. The precision and efficiency of these molecular motors are truly remarkable, with some motors taking thousands of steps without slipping or getting stuck. Molecular biophysics also explores the dynamics of DNA, the molecule that carries genetic information in living organisms. By studying the mechanical properties of DNA, researchers can uncover insights into processes like DNA replication and gene expression. For example, the elasticity of DNA plays a crucial role in its ability to undergo structural changes during transcription and replication. In recent years, advances in biophysical techniques have revolutionized our understanding of molecular interactions within cells. For instance, single-molecule fluorescence microscopy allows researchers to observe individual molecules in real time, providing unprecedented insights into their behavior and interactions. The field of molecular biophysics is a rapidly growing field, with an increasing number of researchers applying physics principles to study the complex world of biological molecules. As of 2021, there are over 10,000 scientific publications annually in the field of molecular biophysics, highlighting the growing interest and importance of this interdisciplinary field. With the continued development of cutting-edge technologies and computational tools, the future of molecular biophysics holds great promise for unraveling the mysteries of life at the molecular level. Biophysical techniques encompass a wide array of tools and methods that allow researchers to probe the inner workings of living organisms with unprecedented detail and precision. One of the most widely used biophysical techniques is X-ray crystallography, which enables scientists to determine the three-dimensional structure of biological molecules at atomic resolution. To date, over 150,000 protein structures have been deposited in the Protein Data Bank, a testament to the power and impact of this technique. Another powerful biophysical tool is nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) spectroscopy, which provides valuable insights into the dynamics and interactions of biomolecules in solution. NMR spectroscopy has been instrumental in studying protein folding pathways and characterizing protein-ligand interactions. Did you know that the first high-resolution protein structure determined by NMR spectroscopy was that of the enzyme ribonuclease? This groundbreaking achievement paved the way for the widespread use of NMR in structural biology. Fluorescence microscopy is another indispensable biophysical technique that allows researchers to visualize and track biomolecules in real time within living cells. By tagging proteins with fluorescent markers, scientists can study dynamic processes such as cell signaling and protein trafficking with exquisite spatial and temporal resolution. Super-resolution microscopy techniques, such as stimulated emission depletion (STED) microscopy and single-molecule localization microscopy (SMLM), have pushed the boundaries of optical imaging, enabling researchers to visualize cellular structures at the nanoscale. Biophysical techniques have also revolutionized the field of single-molecule studies, where individual biomolecules are manipulated and observed in isolation. Optical tweezers, for instance, use focused laser beams to trap and manipulate single molecules, allowing researchers to study mechanical properties and interactions at the nanoscale. The advent of single-molecule fluorescence techniques has provided unprecedented insights into biomolecular dynamics and conformational changes. In recent years, cryo-electron microscopy, cryo-EM, has emerged as a transformative biophysical technique for studying the structure of large macromolecular complexes. Cryo-EM enables researchers to visualize biological specimens in their native state at near-atomic resolution. offering new opportunities for drug discovery and structural biology. The field of biophysical techniques is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and interdisciplinary collaborations. From the development of novel imaging modalities to the design of innovative molecular probes, biophysicists continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in understanding the complexity of living systems. Biomechanics is a fascinating field that applies the principles of physics to study the mechanical aspects of living organisms. One interesting fact is that biomechanics played a crucial role in the design of the famous velodrome cycling track used in the 2012 London Olympics. The track's unique geometry and surface material were optimized to minimize air resistance and maximize speed, showcasing the practical applications of biomechanical principles in sports engineering. Biomechanics also plays a key role in understanding the locomotion of animals. For example, researchers have used biomechanical analyses to study the jumping abilities of fleas, which can propel themselves over 100 times their body length. This remarkable feat is made possible by the specialized leg structures and muscle mechanics of fleas, highlighting the intricate interplay between biomechanics and evolutionary adaptations. In the field of human biomechanics, studies have shown that the human heart generates enough pressure to squirt blood up to 30 feet, emphasizing the incredible force and efficiency of this vital organ. Biomechanics is not only limited to macroscopic movements, but also extends to the cellular level. Scientists have used biomechanical models to investigate how cells respond to mechanical forces, revealing insights into cell migration, division, and signaling. The field of biomechanics continues to advance with cutting-edge technologies such as motion capture systems and finite element analysis software, enabling researchers to simulate and analyze complex biomechanical systems with unprecedented accuracy. With over 50,000 scientific publications annually in the field of biomechanics, it is evident that this interdisciplinary field plays a crucial role in understanding the mechanical principles that govern living organisms. Bioelectricity is a captivating field that explores the electrical signals that govern communication within living organisms. Did you know that the human brain generates about 20 watts of electrical power when awake, enough to power a light bulb? This remarkable feat is made possible by the intricate network of neurons that transmit electrical impulses throughout the brain, enabling complex cognitive functions. In fact, the brain's electrical activity can be measured using electroencephalography, EEG, a non-invasive technique that records the brain's electrical signals through electrodes placed on the scalp. EEG has been instrumental in studying brain disorders such as epilepsy and sleep disorders, providing valuable insights into abnormal electrical patterns. Another fascinating aspect of bioelectricity is the phenomenon of action potentials, which are rapid changes in membrane potential that allow neurons to transmit signals over long distances. The speed of an action potential can reach up to 100 meters per second in some nerve fibers, highlighting the efficiency of the nervous system in relaying information. Bioelectricity also plays a crucial role in the function of the heart, where specialized cells called pacemaker cells generate electrical impulses to regulate the heartbeat. The heart's electrical activity can be visualized using electrocardiography, ECG, a diagnostic tool that measures the heart's electrical signals and can detect abnormalities such as arrhythmias. With over 30,000 scientific publications annually in the field of bioelectricity, it is clear that this interdisciplinary field continues to expand our understanding of the electrical dynamics within living organisms. From the development of bioelectronic devices for neuroprosthetics to the exploration of bioelectric fields in regenerative medicine, bioelectricity holds immense potential for advancing healthcare and biotechnology. Biophotonics is a cutting-edge field that harnesses the power of light to study and manipulate biological systems. One fascinating application of biophotonics is optogenetics, a technique that uses light-sensitive proteins to control the activity of neurons with high precision. Optogenetics has revolutionized neuroscience research, enabling scientists to probe neural circuits and behaviors with unprecedented control. In fact, the development of optogenetics was recognized with the Brain Prize in 2013, highlighting its transformative impact on the field. Biophotonics also plays a crucial role in medical imaging, with techniques like optical coherence tomography, OCT, providing high-resolution, non-invasive imaging of biological tissues. OCT has become a valuable tool in ophthalmology for diagnosing retinal diseases such as macular degeneration, with over 30 million OCT scans performed annually worldwide. Another exciting area of biophotonics is the use of light-based therapies for treating various medical conditions. Photodynamic therapy, for example, utilizes light-sensitive drugs to selectively target and destroy cancer cells, offering a minimally invasive alternative to traditional treatments. The global market for photodynamic therapy is projected to reach over $2 billion by 2025, driven by the growing demand for non-invasive cancer therapies. Biophotonics also intersects with nanotechnology, leading to the development of nanoparticle-based contrast agents for molecular imaging. These nanoparticles, such as quantum dots and gold nanorods, enable sensitive detection of biomarkers and facilitate early diagnosis of diseases. The field of biophotonics continues to evolve rapidly, with advancements in light sources, detectors, and imaging modalities expanding its applications in biology and medicine. With over 5,000 scientific publications annually in the field of biophotonics, it is evident that this interdisciplinary field holds great promise for advancing our understanding of living systems and improving healthcare outcomes. Biophysics plays a pivotal role in revolutionizing medicine, with a myriad of applications that have transformed diagnostics, treatment, and healthcare delivery. One fascinating application is the use of magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, in neuroimaging, which provides detailed images of the brain's structure and function without the need for ionizing radiation. In fact, over 36 million MRI scans are performed annually in the United States alone, highlighting the widespread use and impact of this biophysical technique. Another intriguing advancement is the development of biosensors for detecting biomarkers associated with various diseases. Biosensors such as glucose monitors for diabetes management leverage biophysical principles to enable real-time monitoring of physiological parameters and early detection of health conditions. The global biosensors market is projected to reach over $30 billion by 2025, driven by the demand for personalized and point-of-care diagnostics. Biophysics also plays a crucial role in drug delivery systems, with the development of targeted therapies that deliver medications to specific tissues or cells. Nanoparticle-based drug carriers, for instance, utilize biophysical properties to enhance drug stability, bioavailability, and targeting efficiency. The global market for nanomedicine is estimated to exceed $200 billion by 2025, reflecting the growing interest in precision medicine approaches. Furthermore, biophysical techniques have revolutionized surgical procedures, with the advent of minimally invasive surgeries that rely on imaging guidance and precision instruments. Robotic-assisted surgeries, enabled by biophysical technologies, offer enhanced dexterity and visualization for complex procedures, leading to faster recovery times and improved patient outcomes. The global market for surgical robots is expected to surpass $12 billion by 2025, underscoring the significant impact of biophysics on surgical innovation. As biophysics continues to drive advancements in medical research and practice, the future holds immense promise for personalized medicine, regenerative therapies, and novel treatment modalities that improve patient care and outcomes. One of the challenges in biophysics is the complexity of biological systems, which often exhibit nonlinear and emergent behaviors that are difficult to predict. For example, the human brain contains over 86 billion neurons, each forming intricate connections that give rise to consciousness and cognition. Another challenge is the integration of multi-scale data, as biophysicists strive to bridge the gap between molecular interactions and organismal functions. With the exponential growth of biological data, the field faces the daunting task of analyzing and interpreting vast datasets to extract meaningful insights. Looking to the future, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning hold great promise for addressing these challenges, enabling biophysicists to uncover hidden patterns in complex biological systems. By leveraging computational tools and interdisciplinary collaborations, the field of biophysics is poised to make significant strides in understanding life's mysteries. As we conclude our exploration of biophysics, it is evident that this interdisciplinary field holds immense potential for advancing our understanding of living organisms and improving healthcare outcomes. From the intricate world of molecular biophysics to the fascinating applications of biophotonics in medicine, biophysics continues to push the boundaries of scientific discovery. Did you know that the global market for biophotonics is projected to exceed $75 billion by 2025, driven by the demand for advanced imaging technologies and personalized therapies? This remarkable growth underscores the significant impact of biophotonics on healthcare innovation. Another interesting fact is that over 20,000 scientific publications are published annually in the field of biophysics, highlighting the vibrant research community dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of life through the lens of physics. The field of biophysics faces challenges such as the complexity of biological systems and the integration of multi-scale data, but with advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, biophysicists are poised to overcome these obstacles and unlock new insights into the fundamental principles of life. Looking ahead, the future of biophysics holds exciting possibilities, from personalized medicine approaches that tailor treatments to individual patients to regenerative therapies that harness the body's natural healing mechanisms. With over 36 million MRI scans performed annually in the United States, and the global biosensors market projected to reach over $30 billion by 2025, the impact of biophysics on healthcare is undeniable. As we continue to push the boundaries of scientific discovery and innovation, biophysics will play a crucial role in shaping the future of medicine and improving the quality of life for people around the world.